What up, y'all? Jumping right into this video, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the ways I do my braid out. And this particular way is for creating more length if you care about that kind of thing. So we gonna jump right on in. I've been rocking these big ass bantu knots in my hair for like a day or two, and my hair is fully dry. And I do this so that my hair can start off stretched. So that's the first key to getting some of that extra length. And for some reason, as I was taking these out, I was like, is this a look? This looks like a look. I don't know, you tell me. So for products, I'm going to be using both the Aussie Naturals Rock Your Curls Curl Cream paired with their Island Breeze Hair and Body Butter, which is pretty much almost gone because I do use it for my hair and my body. It's so bomb. So now I'm just parting the first section for the braid. Real quick intermission. In case you didn't know, I'm Nika.go, and I've been expecting you. Thanks for stopping by. Come on in, have a seat. And while you're at it, feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell because this party is just getting poppin'. And I don't want you to miss it. Okay? Okay. What you waiting for? Go ahead. All right, you got time. I'll go get some refreshments. Sparkling water. Got it. And we're back. So I start off by coating the section with the Rock Your Curls Curl Cream. Then as I start to braid, I add in the hair and body butter and comb it through as I braid. So then I like to focus on the way I am braiding, so how I create a little more length. Excuse me. I hold the strands further down as I braid, so it'll make a more elongated braid, opposed to holding the strands closer like I'm doing now, and that makes a more shorter braid. So I'll show you an example. At the top it's longer, and then it gets shorter at the bottom. Shorter and tighter at the bottom, if that makes sense. One side down, one to go. So I'm going to finish the other side off camera, and then I will be back. And I'm back with both sides done and my snack box. If you don't have snack boxes in your life, then what are you doing? Seriously. Look how happy I am. Get it. So I'm going to be using my trusted jojoba oil to take these things down. So let's get it poppin'. So we're looking a little flat, but look at this length. Normally when I do a braid out starting with wet hair, it falls typically right at the shoulders or just above. And as you can see, I am past the shoulders. So we're gonna fluff this up a little bit and give it some life and get a full idea of the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Braid outs are my favorite way to style, and I love trying new techniques to get different looks. So I plan to be doing more braid out videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay poppin'!